Oh, bacon oven. Hello.
Okay. And a mic. Oh shit! What am I gonna do with my microwave?
Yeah. Can have two.
maybe if Nicole wants the place, I'll say,
Yeah.
you know, give me $20-50 or something like that, and you can keep the microwave.
Yeah.
This one's. Oh, I remember this one.
Yeah. So this is also you'll be the first tenant to stay in this apartment.
I think it's when you've seen
nice TV here.
a little bit of this.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this has definitely got the superior view.
Yeah.
At the moment, it's feeling like between this one and the first one.
Yeah.
How much is this one?
18 million.
So 19.
Yeah. This is nice. The lighting is done well. The built-ins are done well. Yeah.
Floor is
Nice.
interesting.
I know. I was just seeing. I was like, whoa.
And they've done really well to match it up.
Right. Exactly.
Usually
all
it's
matching.
just like
Anywhere. Yep.
After a couple of drinks, you come back and go, oh.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. This is new. It's a nice contrast. It's not too bright. The furniture is dark.
Women view.
And then countryside.
Right. Yeah, countryside. Well, countryside. Yeah.
Breeze that comes in.
Yeah.
You remind me.
Yes, so-
Do you remember
Yeah.
the first Saigon Royal place we looked at where it had the candle and that breeze that was coming
Oh
in?
yeah.
That
Yeah.
was nice.
When one with the family.
Yeah. Wow.
All right. So that's all the air cons. That's good.
That's a nice
Got them
little
all.
storage place in there
Yeah.
as well.
You can keep them.
You can have like drying racks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice sofa. I believe these are. You can maneuver these for your comfort.
Good.
Yeah. This is real leather.
Yeah.
Okay. So first room here. So you can move this bed out as
I
well.
was gonna say,
So this is definitely a movable option.
this lights up. This is a backlight on it.
Oh,
So this is
interesting.
backlit.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Also in the cabinets as well.
I wonder where. Oh wow.
This is super bright.
So this is all.
Oh, okay. It's wet bath style, but you can easily put up a glass retainer there.
I mean, it dries very quick.
Yeah.
So
There's a window there.
wow.
Oh, it's the same exact wet bath style. Okay.
This is huge.
Yeah. King size bed. Got the tempered glass option there. Ooh. Exact same headboard, desk. So yeah, brand new apartments. So you
Right.
got that option. Okay, these are set lighting, but they do have two. That's good.
Yeah, this is pretty incredible.
Yeah.
And these lights are moving.
These lights are new. Yeah.
On the rails.
Yeah, the
So
rail
have some
lights.
Pictures or something.
Yeah, and you can maneuver those. Yeah, these are the top lights right here. These are, I know those lights.
And the utility unit's got the.
Korean.
Oh, all brand new.
Yeah.
Double door fridge.
and then-
Korean is Korean.
Yeah.
Maracas.
Yes.
They like the white colors. That's cool.
I was gonna say it's really interesting. They've got like they've mixed the
Yeah,
match.
they mix. Yeah. Well, a couple of things. The fan, I noticed they like
Right.
the white color. Who's this by?
Whirlpool.
Looks oh, Whirlpool as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So Whirlpool Malacca.
If like my
yeah,
negotiating would move.
these are these custom pieces.
right.
Boom.
If I could get something like this in that
Mhm.
first one, I'd give you my money today.
Yeah, I mean that's easy.
Right.
That's just doing the measurements. Yeah. This is mixed fabric.
Yeah, it's not a dryer.
Yeah.
It's a big
Okay.
capacity one,
It
though.
is huge. 9 kilo.
Yeah.
This is two
These are all
top.
brand new.
Yeah. Yeah. Everything's brand new here. Oh, geez. Even got the boxes and the manuals.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
I love the.
They have it sealed.
Sure.
You have so many apartments that don't have it sealed.
Right.
Oh my
So
god.
is this scratch?
And this is
or
how
this, oh no,
is that-
I think that's just sealant. Is it?
could be, yeah. Looks like it's coming off, looks like just sealing. But if it's not sealed, it's easy for it to get stained and stuff like
Mhm.
that.
I remember you
A
telling me that.
lot of
yeah.
people miss that.